Network connectivity issues in VMs. Virtual machines rely on network connectivity for internet access, communication with other devices, and remote management. However, network issues can arise due to misconfigured settings, firewall restrictions, driver issues, or incorrect network modes. VM has no internet access. A virtual machine may fail to connect to the internet due to incorrect network adapter settings, firewall rules, or missing drivers. To fix this, check that the VM is using the correct network mode, NAT for basic internet access or bridged mode for full network integration. Restart the network adapter inside the VM and update network drivers to ensure compatibility. Slow internet speed in VM. Slow network performance can be caused by NAT mode limitations, network congestion, or outdated drivers. Switching from NAT to bridged mode, updating drivers, and limiting background applications consuming bandwidth inside the VM can improve internet speed. VM cannot communicate with other devices on the network. If a VM cannot access shared folders, printers, or other devices, it may be due to network isolation settings. Using bridge networking mode, assigning a static IP, enabling file sharing, and adjusting firewall rules can resolve communication issues. VM network adapter not detected. A missing or disabled network adapter prevents a VM from connecting to any network. Reinstalling network drivers, ensuring a virtual network adapter is enabled in the hypervisor settings, and manually adding the adapter inside the VM can resolve this issue. Network bridging not working in VM. In bridged mode, the VM should receive an IP address from the host's network. If this fails, network restrictions, MAC address filtering, or misconfigured settings may be the cause. Using a wired connection, manually assigning an IP, and checking router settings can help resolve bridging issues. VM network disconnects randomly. If a VM frequently loses its network connection, power-saving settings, unstable network configurations, or driver crashes may be the cause. Disabling power-saving mode for the network adapter, switching to a different adapter type, and using a wired connection can improve network stability. Final thoughts: ensuring reliable VM network connectivity. A properly configured VM network ensures smooth internet access and stable connections with other devices. Using the correct network mode, keeping drivers updated, and adjusting firewall settings can prevent most connectivity issues. Whether using VirtualBox, VMware, or Hyper-V, following these best practices will help maintain a stable and efficient VM networking environment. In the next lesson, we will explore advanced VM networking configurations, including port forwarding, VLANs, and VPNs for secure virtual machine communication.